Hey everyone, Preston over at Easy Auto Spa. Today we have a Fisker Ocean 1N, one of the first ones that are rolling around the streets of Atlanta here. It's in for some matte paint protection film because as you can see, this one has matte paint on it. So if we put clear film on it, it'd look a little funny. So we're gonna put SunTek Ultra Matte on the full front here, on the hood, on this little tiny bumper piece, lower bumper here, the full fender. The fender is probably the biggest part of this car, so very important to protect that. And then we'll also get some SunTek Ultra Clear added to the lights, the gloss black trims on the front here, the mirrors, and some other areas around the vehicle just to make sure that it's well protected. A lot of people don't know this, but when you purchase a matte vehicle, if you pick up a scratch, a chip, anything like it, really a scratch, you can't polish it out. If you polish it out, you're gonna turn this matte paintwork glossy and it'll look a little funny. So by protecting it with Matte PPF, we're gonna be able to eliminate any chances of scratches being added to it so that we can maintain the gorgeous look of this nice matte blue paintwork that Fisker's been able to put on these. So once the PPF's wrapped up, we're gonna get onto some window tint on the side of the vehicle here. We're gonna be doing SunTek's Evolve in a few different shades for the client, just based off what he wanted to do to maintain privacy, cut a little bit of heat, and add some comfort to his ride. So if you've got a vehicle that has a matte finish on it, the G-Wagon, the Kia EV6, the Hyundai Ioniq, anything of that sort, or even clear paint work, if you're interested in protecting it with some paint protection film, maybe a ceramic coating too later on, we'd be happy to help. We got a location in Duluth, location in Athens. Reach out, we'd be happy to help answer any questions, get you some pricing, cover up what you'd like to cover and protect with some SunTek Ultra paint protection film.